Mobile Developer Interview Practice Questions. Set 1. Question 1. What is the default layout manager in Android? A. Grid layout. B. Relative layout. C. Linear layout. D. Constraint layout. The correct answer is C. Linear layout. Linear layout is the default layout manager for Android views. Question 2. What is the main purpose of Flutter? A. Develop iOS apps. B. Cross-platform development. C. Only for Android. D. Create websites. The correct answer is B. Cross-platform development. Flutter allows building apps for both iOS and Android. Question 3. Which is used for dependency injection in Android? A. Hilt. B. Dagger. C. Retrofit. D. OKHTTP. The correct answer is A. Hilt. Hilt is the modern D library recommended for Android. Question 4. Which tool is used for iOS UI testing? A. Mockito. B. XC Test. C. Espresso. D. Junit. The correct answer is B. XC Test. XC Test is Apple's framework for unit and UI testing. Question 5. Which is used for API calls in Android? A. Retrofit. B. Volley. C. JSON. D. Dagger. The correct answer is A. Retrofit. Retrofit is commonly used to make network calls in Android. Question 6. What does MVVM stand for? A. Model View View Model. B. Model View Controller. C. Main View Model. D. Main Variable Model. The correct answer is A. Model View View Model. MVVM is an architecture pattern for Android apps. Question 7. What is used to store key-value pairs in Android? A. Shared preferences. B. SQLite. C. Content provider. D. File storage. The correct answer is A. Shared preferences. Shared preferences stores simple key-value pairs in Android. Question 8. Which layout is best for flexible and responsive designs? A. Constraint layout. B. Relative layout. C. Linear layout. D. Grid layout. The correct answer is A. Constraint layout. Constraint layout provides flexible and responsive layouts. Question 9. Which tool is used for Android performance profiling? A. Android Studio Profiler. B. Logcat. C. Visual VM. D. Xcode Profiler. The correct answer is A. Android Studio Profiler. Android Studio Profiler is used for performance analysis. Question 10. Which language is used for iOS development? A. Swift. B. Kotlin. C. Java. D. Dart. The correct answer is A. Swift. Swift is the primary language for iOS development. Question 11. What is a key feature of Kotlin? A. Interoperability with Java. B. Used only for Android. C. Interoperable with C++. D. Functional programming only. The correct answer is A. Interoperability with Java. Kotlin is fully interoperable with Java for Android apps. Question 12. Which class is used to handle user input in Android? A. EditText. B. TextView. C. Button. D. RecyclerView. The correct answer is A. EditText. EditText handles user input, allowing text entry. Question 13. Which Android component handles background tasks? A. Service. B. Activity. C. Broadcast receiver. D. Content provider. The correct answer is A. Service. Services run background tasks without UI interaction. Question 14. What is Dart used for in mobile development? A. Cross-platform apps with Flutter. B. Backend development. C. Native Android development. D. Game development. The correct answer is A. Cross-platform apps with Flutter. Dart is the programming language for Flutter development. Question 15. What is an activity in Android? A. Represents a single screen in an app. B. Handles background processes. C. A data manager. D. A UI component. The correct answer is A. Represents a single screen in an app. Activity represents each screen in an Android app. Question 16. What is the purpose of a sync task in Android? A. To perform background operations. B. To handle UI interactions. C. For database access. D. To manage network calls. The correct answer is A. To perform background operations. A sync task runs tasks on background threads without blocking the UI. Question 17. Which of these is used for navigation in Android? A. Nav controller. B. Fragment transaction. C. Intent. D. View model. The correct answer is A. Nav controller. Nav controller is the modern navigation solution in Android. Question 18. Which Android class is used for handling notifications? A. Notification manager. B. Notification service. C. Notification builder. D. Toast. The correct answer is A. Notification manager. Notification manager handles notifications in Android apps. Question 19. What does Flutter use for rendering? A. Skia. B. OpenGL. C. Vulkan. D. DirectX. The correct answer is A. Skia. Flutter uses Skia for rendering UI components. Question 20. Which tool does Android use for dependency management? A. Gradle. B. Maven. C. NPM. D. JCenter. The correct answer is A. Gradle. Gradle is the default build and dependency management tool in Android.